Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Ocean Payment with your Shopify store. First, ensure you have an active Shopify account and an Ocean Payment merchant account ready. We will cover the essential steps from installation to final activation, ensuring your customers can make secure payments. This guide aims to simplify the integration process, helping you get your payment gateway operational efficiently and effectively. To begin, you will need to establish your merchant account with Ocean Payment, completing all required verification steps. Once your account is active, navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for the Ocean Payment plugin. Install this application to your store. After installation, you will connect your newly installed plugin to your Ocean Payment merchant account using the provided credentials, typically an API key and secure code. Next, access your Shopify admin panel and locate the Ocean Payment app settings. Here, you will input your API credentials, including the terminal and secure code, obtained from your Ocean Payment merchant account. Carefully configure the payment methods you wish to offer, such as Visa, MasterCard, and other local options. Also, set your preferred transaction currency and any specific processing rules to align with your business operations. Before going live, it is crucial to perform several test transactions using different payment methods. This step ensures that the integration is flawless and all payments are processed accurately. Verify that funds are correctly reflected in your Ocean Payment account. Once you are confident in the setup, activate Ocean Payment as your primary payment gateway within Shopify, making it available to your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.